The directions for this problem are to factor. Now, the first recognition that we always want to make is there a common factor? And we notice here that they all have an a, and the smallest exponent is an a squared. So a squared is a common factor. And in fact, that's the greatest common factor because the coefficient here is a 1, so I don't have any constant that I can factor out. Now when I take an a squared out of a to the 4th, I'm left with a squared minus 18a cubed. But if I take out the a squared, I'm left with an 18a to the 1st. And then plus, from the 81a squared, I'm just left with 81 after we factor out the a squared. We always want to see if we've factored completely. So this portion does not have any addition or subtraction with it. That's already factored, but I do have to think about what's in the parentheses. I've got 1, 2, 3 terms, so if it factors, it's going to be a binomial times a binomial. There's a coefficient of 1 in front of the a squared, so this is one of the easier ones where I have to think about what numbers multiply to get 81 and also add to get 18. And that's going to be a 9 and a 9. To get a squared, I need a and an a. This tells me the signs are the same, and they are both a minus. Now everything's factored completely because the portions with a subtraction are linear. They have a to the 1st with no common factor. This is an acceptable form for the answer, but you could also recognize a minus 9 times a minus 9 gives us a minus 9 all squared. Either one of these two is acceptable for being completely factored.